tuna sandwich. What makes this awesome, what makes this really, really good, well, it's the stuff that I add to it and add to the mix. Of course, half of it is grilled or charred, and the other half is fresh to remain good with the texture, and just it gets a good fusion of flavors. Everybody loves this, so you guys gotta try it. Of course, it has onions, so that's gonna be perfect, right? Yep, let's cut this up and let me show you the cross section of the sandwich. Oh yeah, ooh, oozes out. That's so good, right? Yes, cross section time. Oh yeah. And of course, I had to make a different variation. Was just the fresh bread without toasting it, but I added Gouda cheese, so it's gonna be really awesome too. I got to manage to make it thicker. Yes, it's oozing out. Oh yeah, look at that. So good. You could try this both toasted and the fresh slice. All right, gonna start. Here we have two red bell pepper. Oh, well, one red bell pepper and green, and one chili. And we're gonna use half a carrot and 2 cans of tuna. You can choose all red or all green bell pepper. I just chose two different ones. You cut it in half because we're gonna toast or grill half of each on the grill here. Yep. We're gonna get it charred good, so get the flavors out. It's gonna be so amazing. All right. Yes, here we are toasting it good. That's it there. So now we start with the carrots here. We grate the carrots, so it's gonna be so fine and true, and we're draining the tuna from its sauce, so it's not gonna be fishy or malansa in our language. Yep, there you go. And then now next is the onions. This is getting almost ready. Ooh yeah, now it's perfect. Yes. All right, turn this off. We unplug it just to make sure everything is safe. All right. Yep. Now we'll finish up the onions. Now let's go back to the pan. Start frying the tuna. Here we are. Just a small bit of butter, just probably half a spoon by estimate. We're gonna melt this good, so it's gonna help the tuna get some good taste. Yep, we keep melting. We get the pan hot enough. Just make sure it's all good. All right, now it's ready. All the heat is there. It's already hot enough. We dump in the tuna. It's all drained without the oil, so it's gonna be so good. So it's not gonna be as fishy or tasting fishy as much. We spread it out. We'll let it cook, slowly but properly. This is medium heat, so that we don't get the char right away. Yep, it's getting good now. Yep. Now we keep mixing it. Yes. Make sure everything is flat and cooking equally, so it's gonna be good. Yes. Now we add some crushed black pepper. Oh yes. Now we continue the oregano. You can add thyme, parsley. That's all good. It depends on you. We just add oregano to keep it simple. All right. Yeah. Now it's looking really good. For a few more minutes. Oh, here it's already so good now. Yes, it's getting good. All right. Turn this off. Now it's all ready. We put it on a bowl and let's go start building the sandwich. Let's go. Here we are. This is half the charred bell pepper, half green, half red. Now here we mix it. We start with the carrots first. If anyone wonders, you can dump all of it on the tuna and just mix it, but I like doing this in stages. This way it helps me mix it thoroughly and better. Yes, once you get it all mixed like that. Next is the onions. Yes. An option you can do is you can also grate the onions to save time, but just cut it off small like that. Now the bell peppers, see, half of them is charred and toasted, like grilled. So it's gonna be tasting really good. All right. Yep, we continue mixing this. Once it's all mixed good, then we can start adding the mayo. All right. Here we are. We have Lady's Choice mayo. This is the really good one. All right, now here we how we start. Get like 1 whole spoon. So we're gonna put about a total of 3 spoons of mayo and then mix it good. And see if we need another spoon to make it 4 spoons or it's gonna be okay with 3. Continue now, we mix it. Yes, make sure everything or every single bit is mixed good. This way the flavor is gonna be so good. And the longer it stays together like this, the better it starts to taste because it's gonna bond within each other, make the flavors with a fusion. Here we added 1 more spoon of mayo, so it'll be totaled with 4 spoons of mayo. Okay, now it's all mixed up good. Yes. Now let's assemble the sandwich. So you'll get the toaster here, right? Lay it down like that properly, so it's gonna be really good. Yes. So we're gonna build the sandwich here where it is. So about 1 spoon each. You can add more, but it's gonna start spewing outside. It's gonna make a mess. So just 1 full spoon is good. It's perfect for a sandwich. You can always add a bit more. Yeah, they're perfect. All right. It's that simple. We add the top half of the sandwich. Yes. Oh yeah, it's gonna looking good now. Right. Now we'll lock this in. Turn it on. Let's wait for 2 minutes. A good 2 minutes. You stay longer if how you want it, but we start with 2 minutes first. Let's check. Oh, it needs more. So from this point, looks like we need at least 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Yep. So now let it sit there. Now on the 3rd minute, oh yeah, this is pretty decent. If you want it a little bit more toasted or toasty, then you can do for 4 minutes. But this 3 minutes is good enough for me. Here I made the fresh slice untoasted. Let me show you the toasted one first. Let's check on the cross section. Yeah. Oh, I love the crunchy sound it makes when you with the toasted bread. It's perfect. Yep. Now keep going like that. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see it again. You can add lettuce and all the other stuff, but this makes it simple like this. Is already good enough. Oh yeah, look at that. And it's just moist and really good. Next up is the fresh slice untoasted. You can see this is so good. We also added Gouda cheese. So as you see, that's cheese. Oh, this is also good. And you can see it's spewing out, it's squeezing out. That's because we put a lot. Yeah. Also, you can check it here for the other good stuff. But oh man, you're gonna enjoy this. Look at that, right? Yep, you gotta try this. Both toasted and the fresh buns. It's really good and awesome. You're gonna love this one and how simple it is. Yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe this way. You can check the other good stuff, okay? See ya.